Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Source, spirit, what's the word on the street? We got a bunch of cock blockers out here. Oh man, the smear campaigns continue. What else is there? Dirt digging. Man, they got the whole town digging. What you gonna find? You ain't gonna find gold, I promise you that much. What else you got for me, Spirit? Never let them know your next move. Keep them thinking. What else you got for me, Spirit? Ooh. Come on out. Wolf in sheep's clothing, man. I'm telling you, you guys need to be careful who you surround yourselves with because they ain't your peoples. They're really not. Take what resonates. I know you're watching. What else you got for me, Spirit? Oh my goodness. Oof, yeah. Very threatening. Very intimidating to some of you. Somebody probably has like a wounded, divine, little feminine, boy feminine freaking problem going on. Their ego got hurt. And there's a dirty offer on the way. You can stay over there. I don't need that. Goodbye. What else you got for me, Spirit? Oop. Yeah. I'm too busy shining. I ain't got time for your problems, man. I don't care about your feelings.